Gwlad, gwlad. As we sing about the land we love, what images spring to mind? Dramatic coastlines, ancient woodlands, rivers and lakes, epic mountains, or is it Peatland? Let's be honest, Peatland is our Cinderella landscape. Peatland deserves so much more credit for its efforts on our behalf. Whilst other landscapes star on social media, peatlands are hard at work capturing more carbon than any other landscape on Earth. So, pause with me for a moment to celebrate our irreplaceable, wild, wonderful, wet peatland, that small but mighty part of Wales. Peatlands, our ancients revered bogs, placing valuables and even bodies in them. Our evocative myths filled them with spirits and corpse candles. And our iconic Mabinogi set the wisest toad in boggy Cors Fochno. More recently, our peatlands sustained us with food for foraging and vegetation for animal grazing, with crafting materials for our homes, and with fuel to keep our ancestors warm. Thanks to Peatland, past generations survived. But for future generations, we need something very different and really important from peatlands. We need peatlands re-wetted and healthy so that they reduce harmful greenhouse gas emissions, continue to grow as peatland, and capture more carbon and revive the unique nature that thrives on wet habitats. Peatlands are home to exceptional plants and creatures. It starts with the sphagnum mosses, superhero plants that create new 1 millimetre layers of peat annually. The remarkable sundew has adapted to feeding on flies. Orchids, bog rosemary and bitterwort are dotted among the slender sedges. Fen-raft spiders, beetles, and shy endangered water voles may be hiding from sight. Look out for the azure flash of the scarce southern damselfly and other rarities such as the large heath butterfly. Sadly, the haunting call of the curlew and many other rare species may be lost from our land if we cannot protect the peatland we have left. Nature on peatland is unique, but all is threatened if we don't protect and restore that little 4% of Wales that is peatland. That's what's occurring. Wales Peatland Action. Action by land healers to restore and re-wet our damaged peatlands. Action by landowners, organisations and individuals working together. Action by people like you who learn about, visit and protect our peatlands. Action for high nature, low carbon through Wales Peatland Action. Action to safeguard a wonderful gwlad gwlad for future generations.